For example, I have these columns. I want to apply data validation here in the form of text. So for example, I have two columns, first name and the last name. So what I would like anyone who type the name in these two columns, the minimum characters should be 2 and the maximum characters should be 8. Select all those cells where you want to apply text validation and then go to Data tab. And then from the data validation, you can see here, click the node on the side, and then you can see the first option, data validation. And then you can see there is a drop down list. You can see you can select the text length from here, second last option. Click on this one, and now you can choose anything between, not between, equal to. What I want, I would like to choose in between. So first one, what I want minimum. So minimum characters would be 2 and the maximum characters would be 8. So and then press OK. Now, so anything which I type less than 2 character, it won't allow me. On anything above 8 character, it won't allow me. For example, if I just type H, press enter, it will give me error message.